Remember when my chirps made you smile? Now you barely notice me at all. My name is Dodo, and once I was your favorite. You laughed at my silly dances, you whistled back when I sang. Every morning I waited for your good morning. It was my favorite part of the day. But now, the room is quiet. My cage sits in the corner, and sometimes I wonder if you remember I'm here. The days feel longer. I watch the door, hoping you'll stop and say hi, maybe bring a treat, or just let me out for a tiny adventure. I miss the sound of your voice. I miss being part of your world. Don't forget the birds you once loved. We remember you, even when you forget us. If this made you feel something, subscribe and share. Maybe together we can help more birds find their song again.